Hi there everybody, so in today's video I have this Mini One 2015 and I'm gonna be changing the battery for this key fob. The computer here, when I started the car, it asked me to change the battery because this is the kind of battery that the car needs to detect so you can start the car and so on. And so it must be running a little bit low, so it's asking me to change it. So we're going to be tackling the battery. So that type of key, I'm going to be changing the battery in it. The battery is a 2032, so that's the one I'm using. And basically what we need to do is get the key out. You take this key out by pressing the little button on the side. You press the button and you pull the key out. So I already had it out, but that's how you would take it. We then can use a flathead screwdriver. You put it in here and you pop this cover out, which again I already done it. It's just clipped on, so it pops out. And then you have access to this section here, and again another you can use the flathead screwdriver again and just take this little cover out. So that will pop out as well. That's again clipped on, and that's where the battery is. And then we can get a very small flathead screwdriver or something like that on the side there maybe, and try to get this battery off like so. And my new batteries here goes in there. Just push that in there, and that's in there now. Then we get our cover here, clip that back on, get that back in there, and we can then get our key. And we get our key and we can just put it in there as well until it clips in, and that's it. So that should hopefully operate your car now. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.